Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to fix the PayPal "sorry we can't send a new code right now, try again later" error so you can complete account setup or verification. First, ensure your phone number is entered correctly in your PayPal profile, including country code, and that it's active. Then check that your mobile carrier allows shortcode SMS messages, as PayPal might send codes via these. Next, restart your phone and router. Clear the PayPal app cache or browser cache if using desktop, and switch networks. For example, try mobile data if Wi-Fi isn't working. Users report that this clears up temporary network or SMS delivery issues. Third, wait at least 24 hours before retrying. PayPal support documentation says if too many attempts or failed verifications happen, the system may temporarily lock the code send function as a security measure. Finally, if none of that works, contact PayPal support directly. Provide your phone number, account email, and screenshots of the error. They may verify if your number is already linked to another account or if there are restrictions in your country. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.